Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will study a poem from unit number 3, McVitie, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. Do you have a pet cat in your home? I think you have. Have you seen mysterious about it of that cat at your home? I think no. But here in this poem, you can understand how the McVitie the cat is. Let's study this beautiful poem. McVitie is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McVitie not there. McVitie, there's no one like McVitie. He is broken even human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McVitie is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McVitie is not there. McVitie is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he always side awake. McVitie, there's no one like McVitie, for he is a feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street and you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, the McVitie is not there. So this poem is end here and I will give you some meaning and the summary of the poem. Let we start summary. What is the meaning of this poem? Thomas Eliot described a mysterious cat of extremely villainous nature in this poem. McVitie is a cat. This cat is known by the name Hidden Paw, as he is the criminal mastermind who disregards law. He is an enigmatic figure to even the specialized detective agencies of the world like the Scotland Yard and the Flying Squad. These agencies had accepted their defeat by this clever cat and therefore he is considered as the bafflement of the Scotland Yard. Bafflement means confused. When they reach the scene of crime, McVitie is not there. McVitie is too clever to be caught and he is nowhere near the crime spot. The poet says that McVitie disobeys all human laws and he also the law of gravity. His levitation means floating in the air without any support, is so powerful that it causes a fakir to stare bewildered, means fixable puzzle, means make a big puzzle. Everybody will puzzle. But when you reach the crime spot, McVitie is not there. The poet says that we may search him in the basement or we may look up in the air, but McVitie is not there. Poet described McVitie as a ginger cat who is both tall and thin. He can be recognized from his eyes, which is deeply sunken. Sunken means half closed, which is deeply sunken in. This cat has lined on his forehead, steeped with thoughts. He had a head that is highly domed, while his coat is untidy or bad, and his whiskers uncombed. Whisker means his beard, long 3, 4, 5 beards just come out from by side by their mouths, cat's mouths or tiger or lions. You can understand now. McVitie moves like a snake, and whenever he is mistaken to be asleep, he is wide awake. The poet says there is no one like McVitie. He is a devil in disguise. Disguise means different appearance of a cat. He is a monster, means giant of weekend days. One may meet him in a Bay Street, means lane, or in the square, but when the crime is discovered, McVitie is not there. The final stanzas of the poem states that there has never been a cat of such untrusty and tactfulness. McVitie is always ready with the alibi or evidence. Alibi means evidence to alibi means evidence or two, and when the crimes are discovered, McVitie is not there. So here the meaning of the poem. I think you have understood. Here some meaning I want to say you. Defy means disobey. Levitation means floating in the air without support. Domed means shaped like a dome. Whisker means bristles, the face of a cat, etc. Fine means devil. Feline means relating to a cat. Monster means giant. Depravity means moral corruptions. And Scotland Yard means the headquarter of London, or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. Means police, Scotland Yard police. And flying squads is also a group of police. So I will give you homework that you have to complete in your workbook. But one thing, why you are not sending homework to me, you should send it in proper time. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.